Open peer review for ScienceOpen preprints. Invite reviewers. On ScienceOpen preprints, manuscripts in a preliminary state are open for community discussion and open peer review. Editors, authors, and community members can invite reviewers. To invite a reviewer, click on the Review button and choose Invite to Review. This opens a review interface with the article title at the top of the page. You can search for registered users or similar articles on the ScienceOpen platform, or just invite reviewers by email. To invite by email, just add the name and email of the reviewer to the dialog box and click on Invite to ScienceOpen. Our interface will help you draft the invitation with a basic template that you can send from your standard email client. The invitation template contains a review due date and buttons for the invited reviewer to quickly accept or decline the invitation. As author or editor, you will receive an email notification when a reviewer accepts or declines and when they have reviewed the preprint. When a preprint has been reviewed, the author can respond to the comments and submit a new revision. If you have any questions, contact us at feedback@scienceopen.com.